In this module, we'll be looking at how we can measure evolution using a mathematical formula and how evolution can drive changes in a population. The allele frequency changes within a population over billions of years have led to the vast diversity we see on Earth. This process is not just something that has happened in the past, but also something we can observe in populations right in front of us. The study of population genetics looks at how the forces that drive evolution can change a population from one generation to the next. That mathematical principle of the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium allows us to show proof of allele frequencies changing in a population from one generation to the next. If genetic variation exists in a population, like the coat color of the kitten seen here, we can observe and describe how evolution acts on that population over time. Genetic drift is one of the forces that can cause a population's allele frequency to change. Genetic drift is random change caused by random or catastrophic events. Sexual selection is also a force that drives evolution. Unlike natural selection, sexual selection is based purely on mate choice and not on survivability. Lastly, and possibly the most well-understood driver of evolution, is natural selection. Natural selection favors individuals within a population that can survive the best and reproduce the most in any given environment. Natural selection can stabilize a trait in a population, adjust a trait in a population, or disrupt traits within a population. With different evolutionary drivers acting on populations, often in conflicting directions and in constantly changing environments, populations are very rarely perfectly fitted to their environment, but instead are in a constant state of flux, racing to become more fit than the generation before. To complete this module, perform each task outlined here. Remember to review the terms in bold from the chapters and use the review materials at the end of your chapter to enrich your understanding.